or is this Amazon Fire tablet like super slow, inconvenient, too small? I don't know about you guys, but I have a 4-year-old and I don't have time to wait on how slow this thing is. I mean, if I'm on the go trying to get her set up with a movie, anything, learning app, I can't spend all day on this. And I spent $100 on this. I just don't have time for it anymore. So I went ahead and found a new amazing company that has a new version of the tablet. I ran across this company because they hit me up. They wanted me to give my raw and honest review of their new Plimpton Kids20 Tablet. And so in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the price and all the specs and just how great this tablet is. So let's go ahead and get started. But first, we're gonna unbox this together. So we just got done the unboxing together. So let's go ahead and just get deep and dive right into this because I just love this tablet so much and I can't wait to go over my likes and dislikes. And I only have like 2 dislikes. So as you can see, this is the Plimpton PlimPad Kids20. And you can purchase this on Amazon. And guess what, guys? It's only $89.99 for the 10.1 inch display. Now, they do have a smaller one that is like the 8-inch screen that's, I think, just as small, maybe a little bit smaller than the Amazon Fire that I have. I really like this one, okay? I feel like it has more features, it's more organized as far as how the display is and the apps and just how they're categorized. A lot of features on here that just make it so much more user-friendly, and so I cannot stop raving about this product. All right, so let's jump right into it. So I'm just gonna be reading straight from the back of the box on what features and kind of like techie specs that you get with this tablet. If you're interested, I'm not interested in this. I don't even know what this means, but it has a QCTA core, CPU 2.0 gigahertz, GHz. Then it has a 10.1 inch touchscreen display, and it has 64 gigabytes of storage, which is perfect. And it also has the Kids Space by Google. It does have a 5 megapixel camera, which is really good for a tablet. It has a 1280 by 800 HD IPS, and then it also works off of Wi-Fi. And then it also offers the family link for parents. So that way parents can control what their kids are watching and not watching. And then we already went over it in the unboxing, but if you skipped ahead and didn't want to be patient and look through that unboxing, you do get the Kids20 tablet. You will get the user manual, all right? You will get the USB-C cable cord and the kids-proof case, which is the one here, which they do come in 2 other colors. So you get blue, pink, or this cute purple. And then you also get the wall adapter, which is the piece that you plug the USB-C cord in and it goes into the wall. So let's go ahead and get into my likes and dislikes about this tablet. Cool feature, which is my top like for this tablet, was that during the setup process, they had a screen that popped up that said, now it's Priya's turn. So I gave the tablet to Priya and we were so excited because we were like, what's gonna happen? And she was able to customize her own avatar. And so with that, she was able to customize like skin color. She could put wings on it. Like she could do all this cool stuff and make her own avatar. And I thought that was so cute because it really did like bring her into the process and bring her on board with setting up her own tablet. So I thought that was really cute that they, you know, the company added that feature in. So thank you so much, Plimpton, for that. This is my daughter's avatar. It's so cute. And yep, you just go in here, and she actually put her avatar in a wheelchair. And I love that because my older sister, Ashley, I just love her so much. She is in a wheelchair. And so I guess she took it upon herself and she wanted to be like Auntie Ashley. So there you go. She put her avatar in a wheelchair. Yeah, and you can customize it, put little cute ears on there, antennas, glasses, however you want. They have cool outfits. Let me see if I can do this without. You can do that. Eyes, and it talks to them, which I thought was really cool. Mouths. And it just goes through the whole thing. Okay. Tops, bottoms, outfits, shoes, headwear, eyewear. There you go. Backpacks and stuff. Yep. So I thought that was so cute. Assistive devices. And assistive devices. So let's just check this out because I didn't even see. Okay, so they only have wheelchairs on here, but I thought that was so cute. So that is the avatar feature of the Plimpton Kids20 tablet. Another thing I loved about this is the kickstand in the back. And so with the kickstand, they're able to pull it all the way out, and they can just use this as a handle. Okay. Or it rotates all around the back of this. Okay. So that enables you to, hold on, let me put this on. Okay, that enables her or you to rotate it any direction, and you're able to stand it up in any way. So like that, okay? And then you can stand it up this way as well. So yeah, I love this. Look how big it is. So I guess if you wanted to get the 8-inch, I don't even know how many inches this is display, but this is probably the 8-inch compared to the 10.1 inch. So there you have it. I do not like this thing, but it's so much more faster. As soon as you click on things, it does it. It's not loading. You're not wondering like, did I click on it hard enough? It's just so good. I just love this tablet so much. And then also another thing that I liked was the display. I thought it was very clear, precise, colors are vibrant, catches her attention. So that's another plus. I also liked this case as well and the color variations of the cases. So this pretty much is like the same type of case. Okay, the kids safe or kids proof case. And then I like that they had this purple color because my daughter's favorite color is purple with the contrasting color of the kickstand. And then they also have pink and blue, which I'll also show here so you guys can see the different color variations. Pricing at $89.99. So you're getting this bigger one for $10 cheaper than this one, which is the Amazon Fire. And you're getting this Plimpton Kids20 for only $89.99. So I will leave the link to this down below, and on that link, if you click it, if you buy it, I get commission off of that link. If you purchase this through there, but I highly recommend this, especially if you're a family that travels a lot, you know, want to give your kid, if you're homeschooling them, want to give them a break from like regular schoolwork. My dislikes are, I do notice that if it's all the way dead and I plug it in, I can't just turn it right back on. Okay, so that's one of the downfalls that I didn't like about it, but that mainly goes across the board for all electronics, I think. I do notice that with the iPhone, sometimes I can just plug it in and it'll turn back on. So I have experienced that. So I wish it did it with this as well, because sometimes, you know, I like to, oh, if it died and we're in the middle of something or a lesson, like now we have to wait for it to fully charge and now we have to move on to something else. And I don't like to abruptly move her from task to task. And then another thing that I didn't like about this was it doesn't give you a full access to all apps like I did on the Amazon Fire. So like on this, I could get cool apps. I haven't even noticed if, like I was able to get like ABC Mouse and a few other games on here. I think like reading.com was on here. That was really good. I recommend you getting on that app. And if you have not checked out my amazing apps or top apps to download on a tablet for your child, you should definitely check out this video. I'll link it right here. That should be your next one on the list to watch after this. Don't click off just yet because I just want to finish talking about this. So yeah, you don't get as many options for those apps. So I'm still exploring on different apps on what I can download on here, but I still really do like it. You know, they still do offer a lot of cool books on here that we need to explore a little bit more. We'll probably do that tonight. And then a lot more learning apps on here as well. Yeah, so that's it for the Plimpton Kids20 PlimPad. If you guys have any questions, please do comment down below. And if you just don't have anything to say, you can just put a heart down in the comments. If you have nothing to say, that's fine. All engagement is encouraged on my channel here, as well as any feedback on this video. So if you didn't like the sound, or you love the sound, didn't like the display on how I look on, you know, the camera or anything like that, if I'm fuzzy in any way, please let me know down below so I can improve my videos. If you didn't like the music choice that I chose, please just let me know down below, because I need all the feedback, okay? Oh, and then when you purchase it, please comment down below and let me know that you purchased it, because I'm so curious on what you think about it. Well, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time.